Good morning, beautiful people. Today I want to talk about supplementation. I was just thinking hard, what supplement would I advise my patients that will help in any sort of diseases, any chronic condition, even genetic condition, because it's not going to harm them. So I basically come up because I was thinking what would help every single patient out there, and I've done a research and it's come up with vitamin D, guys. So vitamin D is essential in so many diseases, you wouldn't believe it. So if you would like to improve your condition, you please start taking supplements organic vitamin D3 and K2. K2 will actually help you digest vitamin D3. And I'm just going to read the diseases that's going to be helpful. First of all, chronic respiratory disease. Vitamin D has been shown to play significant role in reduction of inflammation and oxidative stress. That include autoimmune diseases. Vitamin D deficiency is strongly linked with various autoimmune diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. So guys, basically saying adequate level of vitamin D will help you reduce severity and progression to that condition. 3, guys, cardiovascular disease health. So they've done ongoing research and it shows that it will improve. Studies suggest that vitamin D supplementation helps reduce the risk of major cardiovascular events. 4, guys, bone and health osteoporosis. Vitamin D, as you're aware, essential for calcium absorption. By the way, you also need to be aware vitamin D3, it has to be active form of vitamin D3. And you need to take it with the K2 to help the digestion. And also it's been proven that silica is an important part for vitamin D deficiency, so you need to add silica in a supplementation as well. Right, let's talk about also skin diseases. Like lots of people are suffering from the skin diseases, and it's a major thing. So the common denominator with all the skin diseases, guys, that includes psoriasis, atopic dermatitis, acne. This is all proven. You will benefit for supplementation of vitamin D3. This is inclusive vitiligo as well. I previously have lots of patients with vitiligo. We didn't know what to do. They telling just put a makeup on because it will affect mentally people. But guys, it's actually shows that some studies suggest that vitamin D play a role in managing vitiligo in immune system and promoting melanocyte regeneration. So basically, if you increase your vitamin D, you will help your condition like vitiligo, and vitiligo considered to be an autoimmune disease. I would like to also point out there is a lot of research that has been done with the vitamin D deficiency and anxiety and stress and depression. It's been proven that if you it will help you the way you're feeling if you increase your vitamin D intake. Also will give you some power, because remember there was an Olympic Games in Mexico, in Mexico City, and at one point they basically stayed there and they were waiting for Olympic Games, and there was so much sun exposure for all the athletes, guys. On that year in Mexico, they've done much better than the previous years in Olympic Games. So, and they all connected with vitamin D. They also connected that the Russian athletes been using vitamin D supplementation for years before this is all basically come up. I would like to also talk about that, we're talking about vitamin D, how you take it, but some people need to take more because these people have vitamin D resistance. So basically, you can have a genetic factors for that, vitamin D deficiency, and you need to actually make sure that genetically you're okay. But it also vitamin D resistance when the receptors of vitamin D is affected. That means, guys, you need a higher supplementation of vitamin D. This is a common denominator in all diseases, guys. I think the first supplement, this is important supplements you need to take, is vitamin D3, K2, and a bit of silica. Happy healing, everyone!